Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. And this is actually a tutorial video too, by the way. Yeah, I'm gonna make a tutorial video. And if you don't know what this is about, this is on how to rename your documents and pages. Because, I'm sure some of you probably wanted to know how the heck you can do this nowadays. So, now let's get started with this tutorial. Okay, so, as you know, Apple, during the new versions of Pages, Keynote, and Numbers, they removed the rename button on all the files. Well, for some of you who don't remember, all the files used to have a rename button, like on Pages, Keynote, or Numbers, if you use them. So for Pages or whatever, what you do this time, instead of renaming the documents in the app, you can just go to the Files app and go to wherever it is and rename your Pages document. So you can go to Files and then go to Pages. Well, first you go to Files and then go to iCloud Drive. And then, afterwards, you can go to Pages, and then you can rename your files if you need to. And this is something new because since the thing has been updated, it kind of messed it up. Oh yeah, and also this also works for Keynote and Numbers as well. So not just Pages. So if you want to go to Keynote in iCloud Drive in the Files app and rename something, you can do that too, or Numbers. So yeah. Well, now you know how you can rename your files and Pages. And, well, not just in Pages, but in Keynote and Numbers too. And now you know how you can work on it. Well, I hope this told you how you can do it. Now, like I said, I have to go in iCloud Drive with you open the Files app, and then once you click iCloud Drive, you can just go from there. So there. And then, like I said, once you open any of the folders, Numbers, Pages, or Keynote, whatever, if you have any folders in the iCloud Drive, and if you have any documents uploaded to iCloud Drive, you can rename them there. And it's a different way.